Okay, July 26, 2024, a visiting friend for many years of interfaith education, retired campus pastor, Reverend Brooke Rolston, with 3 drawings I've done in the Sightseeing with Dignity series about victims of American gun violence, which I call a genocide and terrorism.
Yes.
You're on.
And Akiva is right. We've known each other for more than 30 years. And in all this time, this illness has spread across the country. We are the victims of our own unwillingness to stand up to the making and the using, the irresponsible using of guns. I'm ashamed to say that the only face I recognized here quickly was Bobby Kennedy's. Why do I not know those faces? Why do I not know those names? Because the numbers are so great. The illness continues to grow. We have to find a way out.
Thank you very much, Reverend Rolston. So I'll quickly mention, this is Ryan Elizabeth Mace, a student at Northern Illinois University, shot to death in a campus classroom in a mass shooting, which is, I call a terrorism attack. I forget the year, I'll look that up. Sabika Sheikh was an exchange student sponsored by the U.S. State Department from Lahore, Pakistan, studying at a high school in a city in Texas where there was a mass shooting terrorism attack, and she perished. And Bobby Kennedy, here I portrayed with my parakeet I got when I was 15 in 1965. I adored the Kennedys. His brother John died in 1963, president, and then Bobby Kennedy in 68, the same year Martin Luther King was assassinated. Thank you again.
Yes.
And yes, I agree. We have to find a way for pro-life,
Yes.
rather than pro-death, which is what I think of the gun rights.
Yes, we do.